to his left.
Okay, go get another one. Go get another one. Robert, go find another one. Go find another egg.
I see a blue egg. Do you see a blue egg?
Blue egg. Put in your basket. Okay. There's an orange egg. I see an orange egg. Look over there, Robert. There it is. Yay! Put it in your basket.
Going to rock.
And a rock.
Okay.
Okay, where's the last one?
There's two more. I see two more. I see another orange egg and a purple egg.
You see it? Where's an orange and a purple egg, Robert?
Robert.
Purple egg.
Robert. Robert. There it is.
Oh no, Scout found your
Scout.
egg.
Get the orange egg.
Get it from Scout, buddy.
There it is. Yay.
Yay!
Robert.
Are you all done? There's one more.
Robert, look over here.
There's one more. There it is.
Yay! Put it in your basket.
Woohoo! Okay, hold your basket. High five, Robert. High five.
Yay! Let's get a picture.
Good job. Good.